Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonders of natural remedies to enhance your well-being. In today's video, we'll unveil the restorative power of turmeric and how it can bring back your sense of smell and taste. 1. The craving for sensory delights. Do you remember the delightful aroma of freshly brewed coffee? Or the nuance of flavors in a perfectly cooked meal? Our senses of smell and taste enrich our lives, connecting us with the world around us. However, sometimes factors like allergies, illness, or aging can diminish these precious senses, leaving us longing for their revival. 2. The mystical spice, turmeric. But fear not, there is a golden spice known for its healing properties that can help restore your sense of smell and taste: turmeric. This vibrant spice, commonly used in Asian cuisine, has shown remarkable potential in reviving our sensory abilities. 3. Curcumin, turmeric's superstar. The magic lies within the main compound of turmeric known as curcumin. Curcumin possesses powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, making it an exceptional natural remedy for various ailments. 4. The science behind the restoration. So how does turmeric help us regain our sense of smell and taste? Studies reveal that curcumin can reduce inflammation in the nasal and oral cavities, which often hinders our senses. By combating inflammation, turmeric clears the way for scent molecules and taste receptors to function optimally. 5. Harnessing the restorative power. Now that we understand the science, it's time to harness the incredible potential of turmeric. Including turmeric in your daily life is simple and enjoyable. You can add it to your meals, prepare turmeric-infused beverages, or even take it as a supplement to maximize its effects. 6. Recipes for rediscovery. To help you get started, here are 2 delicious turmeric-infused recipes that can heighten your sensory experience. 1. Golden milk. A warm and comforting beverage combining turmeric, milk, or plant-based milk, and natural sweeteners, known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. 2. Turmeric roasted vegetables. A colorful dish that features a blend of turmeric-coated vegetables roasted to perfection, enhancing their flavors and providing ample health benefits. 7. A sensory journey begins with the power of turmeric in your hands. Embark on a sensory journey as your sense of smell and taste reawakens and colors your world in vibrant shades. Say goodbye to the frustration of tasteless meals and faded aromas, and say hello to a rejuvenated sensory experience. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of the restorative power of turmeric. We hope this video has inspired you to incorporate this magical spice into your life and rediscover the joy of your senses. Stay tuned for more fascinating natural remedies and wellness tips on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, may your senses be filled with life's most fragrant and flavorful wonders.